Hello, my name is Paul Kelly with Maxiforce Diesel Engine Parts. We are internal diesel engine specialists specializing in overhaul kits along with spare parts such as oil pumps, water pumps, crankshafts, camshafts, connecting rods, injectors, and glow plugs. Most recently, Maxiforce has carved out a very interesting niche and what is becoming a growing market for small bore Japanese diesel engines such as Yanmar, Shibaura, Mitsubishi, and the subsequent Caterpillar and Perkins applications such as the Caterpillar 3044 and the Perkins 804 and 404 engine. From skid steers, mini excavators, generators, light towers, backhoe loaders. This is just a small example of OE applications. This new range of engines are now offering our customers a rebuilding opportunity. Further expanding our coverage of the Japanese small bore diesel engines, at this year's AAPEX we are launching the first and only aftermarket overhaul kit and overhaul gasket set for the Caterpillar 3044 engine. This is a very popular engine used in many Caterpillar skid steer applications as well as some generator applications. This will be the only aftermarket kit and gasket set offered currently for this engine, giving our customers and engine rebuilders an exciting and new rebuilding opportunity for this engine. Maxiforce covers about 90% of the continental US in 1 to 2 days out of our 3 distribution centers in Doral, Florida, Indianapolis, Indiana, and Los Angeles, California. Any and all of the information regarding our engine parts catalog and any of the information we've discussed about small bore diesel engines is all available at maxiforce.com. So please join us at maxiforce.com and learn more about Maxiforce.